Garlic is a favorite in the garden and kitchen. This little bulb has been spicing up our lives for centuries. Can you believe it's been cultivated for over 7,000 years? From the pyramids of Egypt to your very own backyard, garlic's story is a global adventure. And the best part? This culinary rock star isn't just delicious, it's packed with health benefits. We're talking immune-boosting power and flavor that can make even the simplest dishes sing. Ready to grow your own? Let's get started. Now, you might be picturing tiny garlic seedlings popping up in your mind. But here's the thing, garlic doesn't quite work that way. Instead of seeds, we use something even better, cloves and bulbils. Think of cloves as garlic's version of baby bulbs. And bulbils? They're like the garlic surprise bonus, tiny bulbs that form on the flowering stalk. Both are your tickets to a bountiful garlic harvest. Don't worry, we'll break it all down step by step. Let's start with the classic method, planting garlic cloves. It's like planting a mini version of what you buy at the store. You're basically giving each clove a head start to grow into a full-fledged bulb. Remember those beautiful garlic braids you see hanging in kitchens? That's our goal. But first, we need to select the right cloves. Not all garlic bulbs are created equal. When you're at the store or eyeing your own stash, look for bulbs that are firm and plump. Avoid any that are soft, bruised, or starting to sprout. Those are ready for the kitchen, not the garden. Once you've got your prize-winning bulbs, gently separate the cloves, keeping the largest ones for planting. The bigger the clove, the bigger the head start for your garlic plant. It's all about giving them the best chance to grow big and strong. Garlic loves well-drained soil. It's essential to ensure that your garden bed is ready to provide the best environment for your garlic to thrive. The first step is to check the soil's drainage. Well-drained soil prevents water from pooling around the garlic bulbs, which can lead to rot and other issues. No one wants soggy feet, not even garlic bulbs. To test your soil's drainage, dig a small hole and fill it with water. If the water drains away within a few hours, your soil is well drained. If it takes longer, you may need to amend your soil. If your soil is on the heavier side, amend it with some compost or other organic matter. Adding compost not only improves drainage, but also enriches the soil with essential nutrients. Organic matter helps to break up heavy clay soils and improves the structure of sandy soils, making it more conducive for garlic growth. This will help improve drainage and give your garlic a nice, comfy bed to grow in. A well-prepared bed ensures that the garlic roots can easily penetrate the soil and access the nutrients they need. Smooth the soil surface to create an even planting area. Before you get planting, loosen the soil about 6 to 8 inches deep. This depth allows the garlic roots to spread out and establish a strong foundation. Use a garden fork or tiller to break up any compacted soil and remove any rocks or debris that could hinder root growth. This will help those roots spread out and explore their new home. Healthy roots are crucial for the garlic plant's overall health and productivity. As the roots grow, they will anchor the plant and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. And don't forget, garlic appreciates a good dose of sunshine, so choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours a day. Sunlight is vital for photosynthesis, which allows the garlic plant to produce the energy it needs to grow. A sunny location will also help to keep the soil warm and dry, further preventing issues with poor drainage. Ready to plant? Here's the fun part. Planting garlic is not only simple, but also incredibly rewarding. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, you'll find that garlic is one of the easiest crops to grow. Grab your plumpest cloves and plant them pointy end up. This ensures that the roots grow downwards and the shoots grow upwards, giving your garlic the best start possible. Plant each clove about 2 to 3 inches deep. This depth protects the cloves from frost and allows them to establish strong roots. Space them 4 to 6 inches apart. Proper spacing ensures that each garlic plant has enough room to grow without competing for nutrients. Give them a gentle pat of soil. This helps to secure the cloves in place and provides a good environment for root development. Now here's a little secret. Garlic is a fall-planted crop in most regions. Planting in the fall allows the cloves to establish roots before winter sets in. This means you'll be tucking them in for a cozy winter's nap. the cold weather actually helps to trigger the growth process, so don't worry about the frost. Cover the garlic cloves with a layer of soil and maybe even some mulch to keep them insulated during the colder months. Don't worry, they'll pop up in the spring, ready to grow. As the weather warms up, you'll see green shoots emerging from the soil, a sure sign that your garlic is on its way to becoming a bountiful harvest. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and watch as your garlic plants thrive. Now let's talk about those fascinating bulbils. Remember how we said they were like garlic's bonus feature? Well, these little guys are essentially miniature garlic clones just waiting to be planted. You'll find bulbils on the flowering stalk of hardneck garlic varieties. They look like tiny green pearls. Planting bulbils is similar to planting cloves, but there's one key difference. Patience, my friends, patience. Bulbils are starting from a smaller size, so they take a little longer to develop into full-sized bulbs. Don't be discouraged if you don't see large bulbs in the first year. Keep the faith. Those little bulbils are working hard underground, building up their strength. You can harvest them as green garlic in the spring, or let them mature into full-size bulbs the following year. Garlic is a relatively low-maintenance crop, but it does have a few preferences. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first few weeks after planting. Like I mentioned before, a layer of mulch can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Garlic is a heavy feeder, so it appreciates a little boost of nutrients now and then. Amend the soil with compost or an organic fertilizer in the spring to keep those bulbs growing strong. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Harvest time. When the leaves start to turn brown and dry out, it's a sign that your garlic is ready. Gently loosen the soil around the bulbs with a garden fork and lift them carefully. Brush off any excess soil and let those beauties cure in a well-ventilated, shady spot for a couple of weeks. This will allow the flavors to concentrate and the bulbs to store longer. Properly store your garlic to enjoy it for months to come. Hang it in a cool, dry place or store it in labeled jars to keep track of your harvest. Congratulations, you're officially a garlic growing pro. After months of nurturing and care, your hard work has paid off. Now comes the best part, enjoying the fruits, or should we say bulbs, of your labor. These garlic bulbs are not just any garlic, they are a testament to your dedication and patience. Use your homegrown garlic to elevate your favorite dishes. Imagine the aroma filling your kitchen as you sauté garlic in a pan, the rich, robust flavor enhancing every meal. Share with friends and neighbors, spreading the joy and satisfaction of home gardening. There's something incredibly rewarding about gifting something you've grown yourself. Keep a journal of your gardening journey. Note what worked, what didn't, and what you'd like to try next time. This will help you improve and enjoy even greater success in future seasons. Also, make a note of where you planted this year. Rotating your garlic planting location every year will help to prevent soil-borne diseases. So here's to you, the garlic growing pro. May your garden continue to flourish, and may you always enjoy the fruits and bulbs of your labor. Happy gardening!